gunk tutorial. So this one's in gel. Now, unfortunately, I missed off the beginning of it, but basically what you want to do is you want to create that by just literally drawing lines down in your white gel, cure it halfway through, and then go again with some more white lines in the gel. Then you're going to go in with your reflective gel or whatever colour you want for the hat. Draw the hat, cure it, and then I did 2 coats of this reflective gel just to make sure I really had the coverage. Then get a little bead of your builder gel, create a little nose and hold it upside down for a few seconds before you pop it in the lamp. Then you're going to put on the bobble and a bit of snow, then cure it and you're done. I hope that helps. How to create this beautiful, simple Christmas tree. So you're going to start with a triangle, cure it, then you're going to draw some dots for snow, cure that, then go over with some builder gel, don't cure it. Put the star in, cure it, then you're going to top coat everything. Once you've done that, you're going to go in with your white gel. This one's a tack-free one. If yours isn't tack-free, just make sure you cleanse it afterwards. And you're done. Gingerbread house made easy. Start with a square and a triangle, fill that in, cure it. Draw a little chimney stack, cure that. Then draw some snow on the roof, make sure it drips onto the house. Then you're going to draw the door, the windows using a dotting tool, and then you're going to add some coloured dots on there as well for some depth. Top coat and you're done. Santa coat. So, dead simple. Start with your red gel. Then you're going to go in with the fur at the bottom. I used a dotting tool just to create the top of that, then a white line down the centre of the nail. Then you're going to cure all of that. Then you're going to go in with a black line, do that, cure it. Then you're going to go in with gold for the buckle, cure it, top coat, and you're done. Super simple. Cute reindeer tutorial. So I started off with a grey base on this one, and first off you're going to go in and you're going to draw your little antlers. Then you're going to just draw 2 black lines for the eyes, give them a little flick at the end like they've got eyelashes on. Then get that trusty dotting tool out, and what I did was I used the kind of dark grey gel polish here for the nose to actually draw the outline. Then I cured that fully, and then I went in with red gel polish over the top of that, and it really gave it some depth. Then I cured that, then I added a tiny little white dot just for a bit of depth again, and you're done. I hope you enjoyed that one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Plaid nails shouldn't be difficult. Let me show you how to create this nail. So start off with a base coat of kind of a nude or a beige, use a matte top coat to go over top of it. Then you're going to create a white cross on the nail. Once you've done that, cure it, and then you're going to go in with a black liner and you're going to outline it and then do a line through the centre of the cross as well. Cure that, then you'll go in with a red line. Now with the red line you want to do one across the bottom and one down the side, and then cure that, then a gold line next to the red line. Once you've done that, top coat, cure, and you're done. Let me know what you think. Christmas tree tutorial. Oh, I love this time of year. So you're going to start off with some striping tape. This one is a sparkly one I think I got from eBay somewhere. Then you're going to create a triangle. In that triangle, just draw some swirls. There's no particular pattern, whatever you feel like. Just draw the swirls. Make sure you hit like and follow so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Then once you've done that, you're going to give that a full cure for the 30 or 60 seconds or whatever your gel polish is. Then take the lining tape off, the striping tape off. Then you're going to go in with a dotting tool and you're going to create a little star for the top of the Christmas tree. And once you're happy with your star, give that a cure. Once that was cured, I went in with some glittery gel polish and again cured that, then top coat, and you're done. Let me know what you think in the comments and what other tutorials you'd like to see from me. Thank you. Bye now. Santa's hat French nail tutorial. So start by drawing a line along the tip. Then you're going to go down the left-hand side of the nail to create the French. Then on the right-hand side of the nail, you're going to create the tip of the cap. So you'll see here I take it out to a point. It's almost like a triangle, and then I smooth it off underneath. So I did one coat of that, and then I did go over and do a second coat after I'd cured it. And then I also took it down the right hand side just to create a little tiny tip on there. So you'll see there, I just took it to a slight point for the other side of the hat. Then I fully cure it, then I go in with a dotting tool to create the fur around the hat. So just tiny little dots all the way around, dead simple, and then a dot on the tip of the cap. Just like that. Once you're done, you cure that, then you top coat, cure, and you're done. Let me know what you think in the comments. Santa nail tutorial. So you're going to start by drawing his little hat. So it's probably about the top third of the nail. You're going to draw a line across and then just colour that all in red. Then you're going to flash cure that. Then you'll get a dotting tool and then you'll go across to create the fur across the hat. Again, flash cure as you go along. Then you're going to take the dotting tool down the side of the nail and then across the bottom. So like a square shape, you're going to leave it exposed. Then you're going to take a liner brush and you're going to fill in the bottom of the nail completely white. That'll be his beard. Then you want to go back in with the dotting tool. Now I think this is missed off. If you go back in with the dotting tool to create 2 eyes in white, then 2 black dots on that, curing all the way as you go, and then 2 little white dots and a little pink nose. And you've got Santa. Hope that helps. Candy nail tutorial. So start with a little white dot in the centre of the nail. Then you're going to take a curved line to the outside of the nail. Then you're going to do another line just above that one. Then fill that in and you've got your first triangle, I suppose you would say. Then you're going to repeat that pattern all the way round. You can use a gel brush to clean up if you need to. This was actually a really simple design. You can also flash cure as you go along if you need to, just to make sure nothing moves and everything stays in place. Make sure all your swirls go in the same direction. Once you're finished, give it a full cure, then top coat and you're done.